Here is a quick and very effective way to fix a foundation that has a broken center support. First, do a very thorough inspection to make sure there are no additional broken parts like the cross members. If you come across any, you'll probably need to remove the entire dust cover. Next, I'll grab each of the cross members and just give them a twist, and this will typically pop the center support right off of the nails, and it'll leave the nails standing in the cross members. Next, I'm going to locate all the nails that are sticking up on the cross members. I'm going to grab a hammer and I'm going to back those all out. You don't want to simply bend them over because it's critically important that the new board sits totally flush on these cross members to give it the best strength and the best support. There are typically 2 nails on each end and 1 on each cross member. The nails will stay pretty tightly in those cross members and won't fall out over normal use, but if you'd like, you can remove them entirely from underneath. Now I'll grab a new 1x2, making sure that it's got good structural integrity with no knots that are going to create a quick break. I want to be sure to cut it the exact length to fit snugly between each end. That will make the whole repair stronger. Once I get it under the dust cover, I'll move it around and position it so that it's centered exactly where the original board was. I recommend using a narrow crown stapler because they're very strong, and make sure that the staple goes at least 3/4 through the lower board but does not protrude out the back for safety. This board is critical to the structural integrity of the foundation. I'll then confirm one more time that I have the center support exactly where the original was. Some metal bed frames have a center support that requires that this board sit exactly over top of it. That's why placement is so critical. And then I shoot 1 staple in each of the cross members and your repair is complete. If necessary, replace the dust cover, and as you can see, this repair should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Very simple and extremely effective.